tiny?
Yes, andito kami mga kamanoy sa may pumpkin farm. Ayan kung makita niyo to, mais. Ayan lalaki na di ba? Lalaki na ang kalabasa. Yan yung mga ginagawang Then, you want this pumpkin? White pumpkin?
No, this one.
Oh.
This one.
Hi.
Okay?
This one. Or this
Ayan
one. Can I buy this one?
Yeah, later. Just put it there. Ayan, makita niyo dito. Ayan.
I said let's go buy this
Ito
one
si Igat
now.
kasi kuha daw siya ng pumpkin. How about
Hold
this one?
it.
How about this one?
What? Yeah,
Big
sure.
pumpkin.
Yeah, I want the big pumpkin.
Okay.
Look, it's $50.
Huh? Where's it?
This one.
Okay.
Look, $15.
Ayan di ba? Ito yung
Very expensive.
Ako tayo dito man kamanos. Iba-ibang iba-ibang klase ng iba-ibang klase ng ng ayang pumpkin. Ito ang tsura.
Hey, Papa. Can you picture?
Ayan.
How are we telling you?
Ayan mga kamanos ayan.
Can you take a picture now?
Ayan din. Iba-ibang itsura niya ng pumpkin. Ito yung ginagamit sa yung pang-Halloween Halloween decoration. Ayan. Then ito, kanya, tsura.
Can we buy this one?
Yeah, later. Okay, yan, makita nyo. Iba-ibang kulay ng pumpkin. Ayan.
Can we buy this one? Can you take a picture of me there?
Yeah. Come. Sundan niya yung picture daw.
Take pictures over there.
Okay. This is white. White.
Can you take a picture now?
White pumpkin.
Can you take a picture now?
Ayan.
Can you take a picture?
Tama mga kamayos, ang ganda
I said take a picture.
Ito white. Kalabasa Sarap nito pumpkin pie. At yung makulit na bata daw, tingnan natin. Ayan. Di ba ang dami yan dito is may willow view. Yan Ayan. At so kasing bata na tumakulit kasi dito daw siya magpapapicture. Ayan. Okay na, it's up. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Ayan mga kamanoy, laki ng pumpkin, di ba? Actually, dito tayo sa may sa may willow view dito sa may Abbotsford. Ayan kung gaano kalaki yung mas malaki pa sa mukha ko yung malaki pa na
What is this said?
pumpkin.
I'm talking about.
Makulit na bata.
What did this say?
Yeah, it's pumpkin. It says, di ba? Ang laki.
Don't grab the.
Tama ko kasi si Gab, makulit na bata. Actually, yan yung barn dito sa sa may
Hey, watch
willow
pumpkins
view.
here.
Yan. Ayan yung barn dito sa ating mga viewers and followers.
Watch pumpkins
Okay,
here.
pa-share ng ating video na to. Of course, itutur po natin kayo. Mamaya, panoorin nyo ang aking ipopost. Apple picking po tayo. Okay? We'll see you mga kamanoys and God bless. Bye for now. See you. Yan
So bad.
Tama.
Chicken.
This is sheep.
This is sheep.
Chicken here.
Chicken. Now the chicken over here.
Oh, this is egg.
Chicken.
Egg, chicken egg.
How it's gonna hatch? What's the chicken? Chicken.
Ito yung yung farm, ayan. Doon sa pumpkin, ayan. Kung gaano kalalaki, makikita nyo yan, Ayan, yan. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung pumpkin dito sa Canada.
Kalabasa na yan.
Di ba? Kung gaano kalaki, kasing laki ng mas malaki pa sa ulo ng kung gaano kalaki yan.
What the?